If you want to create a game on itch.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from getting your game ready to publishing it on your itch.io page. Whether you're uploading a small indie project, a school game, a prototype, or your first finished release, this guide will help you get it online quickly and easily. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and game creation tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create your game using any game engine you like. You can use Unity, Godot, Unreal Engine, Game Maker, Construct, or even a simple HTML5 setup if that fits your project. The most important thing is to make sure your game is fully exported and ready to upload. Before you publish, test your game carefully so you know the files work properly and players can actually launch and play it without issues. Once your game is ready, open your browser and go to itch.io. If you do not already have an account, create one first, then log in. After you're signed in, go to your dashboard. This is where you manage your projects, uploads, and page settings. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Project and click it. Now you'll be taken to the Project Setup page. This is where you build your game page on itch.io. Start by entering your game title. Make sure the title is clear, easy to read, and matches the name of your game. After that, fill in the details for your game. This can include a short description, genre, platform, controls, or anything else players should know before downloading or playing. Next, upload your game file. Depending on the type of game you made, this might be a zip file, HTML build, executable file, or another supported format. If your game has multiple files, make sure everything is packaged correctly before uploading so users can download and run it without confusion. After the upload is complete, check that the file is listed properly on the project page. Now decide whether you want to set your game as free or paid. If you want people to download it for free, select the free option. If you want to charge for it, set your price carefully and make sure it fits your audience. You can always adjust this later if needed, so don't rush this step. Itch.io gives you flexibility, which is great for indie developers and first-time creators. Before finishing, review everything one more time. Double-check the title, description, file upload, and pricing settings to make sure there are no mistakes. This is also a good time to add any extra information that could help players, like installation instructions, controls, or credits. The more polished your page looks, the more professional your game will appear. When everything looks correct, click Save. That will publish or update your project on itch.io depending on your settings. After saving, your game page will be live and ready to share with others. You can now send the link to friends, testers, or your audience so they can try your game. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a game project on itch.io and upload your game step by step. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it's one of the easiest ways to get your game in front of players online. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your game release.